Hi friends, today we are going to discuss how to be more optimistic. It's really a great topic, the most important psychological capital, and I feel joy to share it with you. Optimism is defined as the attributions one makes and the explanatory style one uses in response to events, as stated by Mr. Seligman. It indicates the conviction that the future holds desirable outcomes irrespective of present position and one's personal ability to control these outcomes. It's very important to think really that what is the conviction behind this topic. It convicts that future holds desirable outcomes irrespective of present position and one's personal ability to control these outcomes. So optimist people possess long-term vision, being more realistic in nature, and are not demoralized by temporary petty failures. This is very important. They are not demoralized by temporary petty failures, rather willing to see the bigger picture and persevere at a task longer to fulfill their goals, as stated by Bandura, to enjoy the fulfillment of purpose. So they have long-term vision, optimists have long-term vision and are not demoralized by temporary petty failures, rather willing to see the bigger picture in life. Optimism is future-focused and provides buffering between the negative impacts of unfavorable events and the positive expectation of future outcome, and embraces the positive impact of favorable events. So it appears to be a mental attitude that interprets situations and events and helps to look forward to the future. It's always future oriented. So it inculcates an attitude of hope and strength for future conditions. It appears to be very much future focused. However, optimist is more likely to anticipate that future events positive are very positive in nature. So how it goes on? Optimists generally have better cardiovascular health, stronger immune system because they remain in a very positive mode. They feel future is going to be very bright. Enjoy more successful relationships because of their future-oriented thoughts. Optimism helps in increasing longevity and makes people more proactive. Lowers rates of depression, lowers levels of distress, adds to better psychological well-being, provides better coping skill to face hardships. Even in negative situations, optimists find silver lining. So people mostly say that see the silver lining. Even if you are in a not very comfortable situation, but that time also you should think that time will change. See, look at the future. The future may be holding very good things for you. So what action should you take to be more optimistic? You may use any validated skill like Peterson, Seligman or others. That is your personal choice. But in general, you should think that say suppose from 1 to 5 scale, 5 being the excellent and 1 being the lowest. How you think? How you think you think positive? You should check yourself. How you think you are thinking positive. You think positive. You have goals. You focus on success. So how you think on these aspects, on individual aspects. So if you are low in some topics, then you can try to improve your grade. And these are very important things. Be grateful for small achievements. How do you normally become very grateful for small achievements? How you accept failures? Challenge negative thoughts. Focus on more positives. Improve social relationship and better social support system. How you categorize? Not to ignore mistakes and stressors. Approach difficult situations with positive mindsets. So how you do all these things? Activate your thought process. Rewire your brain by constantly thinking in a positive way. If you do it in an excellent manner very often, then you rate it as excellent. But however you rate it as say poor or fair or something, then you try to improve upon that topic. Activate your thought process. Rewire your brain. Spend more time with people who are optimistic. Think positively. Embrace your emotions. Accept negative ones also. No need to avoid emotions. Try to accept the emotions and then think how you can change it. Think how to cope with the same. Believe you can get what you want. Focus on what is going on well. Think for the future. Yes, you are going to get it. Maybe the present time is problematic. No problem. Then focus on going well. Strengthen your willpower. Have a look ahead plan. Change your perspective if required. Smile more. Enjoy life every moment. Do you do this? If you do this, then you rate it as excellent. In every situation, find at least one thing good. Start your day with positive affirmations. Simple workout at morning can help you a lot. Think of your potential future. Be enthusiastic to face challenges to achieve your goal. If a stranger on the road asks you why you are not smiling, will you be serious? So what will be your condition? Just rate yourself. Love yourself. Have something to hope and build yourself. With positive thinking, be more confident and committed. Outside situations must not be able to change your choices. There are endless opportunities. Pick the negative situations and go ahead. Love challenges. Let your determination and perseverance support optimism and let them help each other. Change your fixed mindset and be flexible. Be hopeful. Always be hopeful. Never quit. Always think there are many ways to succeed. Greatest pleasure is doing what at first instance you think it cannot do. But ultimately we may get it. Optimism breeds success. So be optimistic. To recapitulate, optimism satisfied the conviction that future holds desirable outcome. I always think yes, future will be very bright, no doubt in it. It is related to performance and satisfaction. Optimists possess long-term vision and are more agreeable and reliable. They are future focused. They expect better outcomes in all situations. Be focused on how to be more optimistic. Have a good life. Thank you.